a short here on GS, our old friend, and I don't think the market can hold these levels, and hopefully GS is gonna drop through. But I'm probably just gonna scalp it out because I'm a scaredy cat. So might buy back here at the moving average at if it breaks through the 80s, which looks like it's gonna do here. I'm gonna head long here. This is LEN here, KBH. How my fill on LEN went through. Looked pretty delayed, and this is in KBH as well. Got filled on that, and took a while, but let's see what happens. I'm hedging against my my play on GS here, so I took a couple of long positions. Alright, fell through into the 80s. It's about back there at $80.98, and getting this move on C, so Citigroup, so GS followed, seems. LEN and KPH not looking all that great for me. May need to close out one of these, so we'll see what happens. Let them run a little bit. Alright, LEN is starting to get this little move. Kind of glad I hedged against that GS play. Got into some stocks here which are under a sector that are showing resilience with these with this down market. So this might continue to go up. You know, it's going to take this profit. Just took it out at $8.10, made $60. KBH down $60, actually about 70. And gonna let it ride through a little more, and be back to update. You know what, just gonna get out here. Got below that moving average, and it looks like it's not gonna be able to sustain it. 10-day started curving downward, so I took a loser on there. 140 bucks. Looks like the market's gonna make that move down, so I chose to short GS here. I just shorted at 80.92, and let's see how the market drops. I'm already up 10 cents, 100 bucks. See if DIA continues on. SPY is around that moving average, so might bounce off that thing here. GS is broken through the previous close, so let's see what kind of move down it can make. Alright, this is crucial here. We need to see red. I just closed out GS. I didn't want to see green at all, so closed out at 80.76. I just shorted again at 80.43 to come back to update. Looks like it's ready to drop again. Spiders just fell through. Might cover here. I guess not. It's just covered at 80.33. I'm satisfied with that. and I might look to call it a day, maybe trade one or two more. Gonna see what kind of setups we got going, and I'll be back possibly with another trade, or might just call it a day right here. This is a solar stock here. This went long at 1307. This is a TAN holding, TAN ETF, and I'm gonna look for some kind of bounce here. It's found a bottom here for the day at about 1302, 13. So I think as long as we don't get into, actually 13 is the low for the day. As long as it doesn't drop through 13, should be good here. Actually, I'll put a stop at 13. That would just be a $70 bet there. Alright, so that's me right there with the stop at 13. Went long at 1307. Just gonna ride this one, ride the wave a little bit, and it looks like I may get stopped out here. Hasn't happened yet. Might be good here. If I get stopped out, I'll let you guys know, of course, and then I'll close it out. Close out the trading session. You know what I'm gonna do? Gonna change the stop. Gonna put it at 1298. So it's a little bit lower than the bottom. So a little bit better of a stop, better choice. So I put that order in there. Cancel my 13. So it's all good now. If I get stopped out, computer does the work for me. Alright, got stopped out of this WFR. Should have actually taken the profits up here. Can't win everything, you know. So got stopped out at 1298. Basically lost I believe $90 on there. This software doesn't show the stop losses accurately. It sells it or buys back at a much higher price, as you can see here, $47.12. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys on the next one.